What's up, everybody? You guys probably just saw this red thing right here. And by the way, I made something really cool. And I've made it before. Try to guess down and cover it right now. Pause, I'll wait for you. Okay. And it's really fun to play with. And it's so fun. And you can buy it for like 50 cents. And it's so fun to play with. You guys should know by now. It's slime. I made purple slime. Easy, easy, lemon squeezy peasy. And it's so fun to play with. Oh my gosh, look at this. What? Whoa. And it love it. Oh my gosh, it's the best thing ever. Oh my gosh. Oh yes, I love this stuff. I wonder if I can put it. Mama, look what I'm doing. Guys, look.
That's the word, yeah. I have to come off that table off, so.
Guys, this is the best thing. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna oh my gosh. And you guys, look, it has little specks of glitter in it. I put like little specks of glitter. I don't know if you guys can see. You might. Guys, see? This is the funnest thing. Do you guys want me to go expose on Isaac? Let's go. Isaac will be asleep. He's a ladybird instead of an early bird, late bird. So my mom's awake. My dad had to go to the doctor last night or this morning. I mean, and I'll go put this stuff on my bed. So let's go. So here's a room where you can see Isaac, but it might be backwards. Sorry. Let me see. Isaac. Look. It's purple and it has glitter in it. Can you hold it? There's a breakfast burrito downstairs for you from McDonald's. He doesn't care about anything. Where'd it go? It's behind. This stuff is like so fun.
Lily.
Ah, it's cold.
What's cold?
This stuff.
Who slammed the door?
I did.
Huh?
I did.
Don't get that stuck in the carpet though. That'd be gross.
Ew, you guys, it's so cold. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's like now there's little chunks out. You guys. Guys, I might have a straw so I can do another experiment. And it's a different experiment this time. I might though, I don't know if I do. Let's see. Dun, dun, do it. No, but I can try it with this toothpick. Okay. my gosh, it's so fun. So we have the slime, and make it flat. Is there anything that you guys can? Yeah. At least you know you can draw like it's like okay. You can go. Yeah. Do a sign. Look. Like I have this end of a toothpick, it's a real toothpick. I'm gonna draw a smiley face.
I'm gonna go party and then I'm gonna sit down for 2 minutes.
Okay. Like I said, he's making a sound because I think Isaac's like, can we go throw this away real fast? You guys look. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, this is like the best thing. Tell me if you guys have an elf on the shelf. Because like I do. It's about Christmas time, so you know, like he's right there today. I guess he's wanting some lemons. Isaac, look at Fawn. Make a zip line, please. What?
Where's number 2?
Burrito, breakfast burrito. Guys, it's the funnest stuff ever. You can just go like, boom, somebody starts like this. Ready, guys? I'm gonna hit you in the face. Sorry about that. Boom, clips. Boom, clips. Hot on big buck. Let me hit it against the ceiling, good? So it might get a stick. Might go down in pieces. Well, I didn't even hit the ceiling. Well, that. Guys. So, you guys. So guys, I hope you guys like this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!